North Star Guard Online,
a news and information service of the Minnesota National Guard.
Usually when we think of training areas for the Minnesota National Guard, Camp Ripley or your local armory may come to mind. Specialist Joe Roos tells us how one platoon changed that by traveling across the Atlantic to train with the Croatian Armed Forces.
Here at the Gostinci training area, outside Jakovo, Croatia, Minnesota National Guard soldiers of the 2nd Battalion, 136th Infantry, and Croatian Armed Forces 3rd Corps soldiers went through a final exercise to culminate the Croatian side of the State Partnership Program. For the past 2 weeks, our two forces have reached across all imaginable obstacles to include the Atlantic Ocean to jointly train in infantry peacekeeping security tactics. A platoon-size element of Minnesota National Guard soldiers has collaborated with 3 Croatian Army platoons to form a company-size element that has worked together to execute some of the most advanced levels of infantry training tactics.
So this exercise, we did the convoy ops, we did the search and seizure, the checkpoints, and it all came together and looked pretty good, I thought.
2006 marks the 2nd year that our two forces have collaborated in this type of military training. However, this is the first time that Minnesota National Guard soldiers have had the opportunity to train in Croatia.
And we share with each other our knowledge about the war combat operation and the knowledge in the NATO leading operation. And because of that, I think that this kind of exchange is very good for both sides.
We are very pleased, we're very proud of what has been accomplished. It has been a great experience for our soldiers. We think it has also been a very wonderful experience for the Croatian Army, and it's an opportunity for our soldiers to synchronize operations.
Now, this is only one half of the training for this year's State Partnership Program. Croatian Armed Forces 3rd Corps soldiers will also train in Camp Ripley, Minnesota in somewhat similar operations. For the Minnesota National Guard's State Partnership Program, from Gostinci training area near Jakovo, Croatia, I'm Specialist Joe Roos.
For more information on the State Partnership Program, visit us at minnesotanationalguard.org.